am I doing this? I'm just going blank.
Clean slate.
Clean slate.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright everybody, welcome to Old Volks TV. I'm Mitch.
I'm Mickey.
And we're on a very special trip today. Heading to pick up a bus. This time, not to Los Angeles, thank God, because that was a long trip. But this time, where are we going, Mickey?
We're going to Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. It's about a 6-hour drive from the house. And roughly. And we're gonna do things different this time. Last time we had a trailer and a big truck, and we did it the right way. But this time we're gonna play it a little bit more dangerous. We're gonna flat tow it. Not something I recommend on such a long trip, and it's a bus I've never seen, so I don't know how good the tires are. What do you think the quality of those tires is gonna be?
Oh, I'm hoping they're better than what I got.
Well, let's hope that they're pretty decent, but I haven't seen the bus. I'm really excited to see it. I bought it a few weeks ago, only seeing pictures, and this is very exciting for me. It hasn't really kicked in yet, but when we get there, I'm gonna be super stoked. We won't be able to take pictures or videos inside of the gates. We were asked not to, because there's other cars around, so we won't say exactly where it is, but yeah, we'll get videos of the ride home, and tomorrow, whenever we get to our second secret location, for something for future videos, so that should be good. That's why we have the quad, so we'll talk soon. And we've been on the road for roughly too long, but I think traffic's been pretty good. What do you think?
Oh, traffic's been great, actually. Rain's been horrible, but
yeah, it's been raining for the last, I don't know, probably 2 hours since we left Austin. Not too bad, but I'm starting to feel the anxiety, the excitement of seeing my bus for the first time. It's not even just the excitement of seeing the bus for the first time or like seeing a new vehicle, but for me, like finding a new V-dub, it's more about the experience that I know I'm going to experience with getting the new toy, you know? Getting to hang out with my friends, getting to go camping, getting to enjoy car shows and do stuff like that. I've personally never owned a bus that I've driven on the road. Tons of bugs, at least over 30, maybe over 40 air-cooled VW bugs, but never a bus. So this is a new thing for me. And so for me, buying a bus is getting to hang out with all of my buddies that own buses and get to enjoy that sort of thing, you know? Like for Mickey, whenever you got your bug, how did that make you feel?
oh, just incredible. And I was actually able to go around and, you know, cruise with my friends and go to the car meets and be a part of that rather than just the side burner, you know?
So it's like being a part of the culture is one thing, but having like similar vehicles, I guess, like, you know, when everybody else has a bus and you have a bug and you see them getting to like sleep in their bus, it's I don't know, I just want to be a part of that, and I'm really excited to start doing you know, going on long trips and camping with those guys. So it's more about, you know, this trip is more about just picking up a bus for me. So we'll give you an update as soon as, well, probably when we get there. I hope we're not too far out.
Not too far. We got a few hours left, right until we get to the bus. So
yeah, we've got 1 hour and 50 minutes left, and we'll let you know soon. I don't turn out. I don't want to get too excited because I'm really worried this thing's gonna be a clapped out pile of poop.
Didn't Jason see it though already?
So the owner the guy that
Jason was at the bus. He was literally at the bus.
There's 3 Jasons. There's Jason that owns it, and then Jason Anderson.
Yeah, no, but Vogan saw it. He videotaped it.
No.
Or was that the
Jason
other guy?
Vogan gave me, which is my friend that owns the cameras and stuff in Austin. He sent me the pictures and the post.
Oh, but
And
the other
Jason
guy was
Bustamante is the one we're going over to his house.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Yeah, but I couldn't remember. I thought I could have sworn I saw Vogan at the bus itself. He was like, "Hey, I'm here at the bus."
No, oh no, that's the other Jason. That's
okay.
Jason Anderson that owns
Okay.
the bus.
So that was okay.
All right, we've made it to Oklahoma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The weather is a lot better. The rain has gone away. There's still clouds, but
The sun is shining.
the sun is shining. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Oklahoma, and that gives me a lot of hope because I wasn't wanting to load up the bus.
No rainstorm.
No rainstorms. So we are about 53 minutes out, and
We'll have bus in hand.
we'll have bus in hand soon. Well, we're 5 minutes away.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. The anxiety has kicked in. I am super excited at the moment. Not really knowing what to expect. I've seen a bunch of pictures of it. I've seen a few videos. But as far as rust, I really won't know until I get in there. I'm just ready to see it in person. So hopefully it's everything that I thought it would be. And make my dream come true of having a bus.
Yeah, my hands are clammy. I'm so excited. So.
I'm excited to be a part of the bus culture, go for camping trips and stuff like that, so it's more than just a toy to me. I don't know what else to say. I'm stoked.
On the day today.
Ready? So we made it. We made it. The bus it's mine. High top, what do you think?
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
It's beautiful. It's just as tall and just as ugly as I had hoped. But it's beautiful. Supposedly it runs, turns over.
It's got decent tires.
Decent tires. Yep. So now we make our trek all the way back to Dallas to hang out for the night, and maybe we'll start it tonight. Who knows? Well, it's official, Mickey.
Yeah, it is.
We got the bus on the back. It's pulling really well. Everything, I don't want to say anything positive.
Yeah, let's keep it at minimum.
We don't want to say anything positive to jinx anything if you believe in that sort of thing, but we're on our way to Dallas right now. We're going to stay at our really good friend Jason's house and camp there for the night. We're actually going to sleep in the bus. We brought some bedding material, some foam mattress and stuff, and break it in, you know? I'm going to sleep on the top bunk. He's got the bottom bed, which is awesome. The best part about having a high top. And camping it for the first night, so I'm very excited about that. And then tomorrow we've got, like I said before, something for another video coming up, and that should be a lot of fun. Mickey here doesn't know what's going on. It's kind of a surprise for the whole trip, kind of the icing on the cake. So I want to say it, but I can't. So anyways, I'm so excited to be a bus owner now. Jason, your guy Jason Vogan, said very nice things about being a bus owner, and that made me happy. And so Next thing to do is what you would do with any Volkswagen, make it run.
Yeah, and stop.
Run and stop. Stopping's important too. So, thanks for coming along on this journey. It's been good. Go get.
Good.
Nice.
Good.
Let's wrap. Bus runs. We picked it up. So far we're in Dallas right now, and we have a long trip ahead of us tomorrow. Well, 3 hours, but we did it. We fired it up. It's exciting. Titled bus. It's mine. I'm super excited. So it's official, but it's not all Volks official. And we're gonna do that now. So with the help of Mickey, the 3 Jasons that made it possible, and Chris Ricks, I just want to thank all you guys. We're gonna make this official.
And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
All right, gang, there you go. Mitch got a bus. Drove all the way up to Oklahoma. Flat towed that thing. Crazy. 6 hours on a tow bar with an unknown bus. That was a little sketchy, but he got one, and he loves it. And he's been sleeping in that thing like every night since he got it. Which one does when you get a bus for the first time? Can hardly contain the excitement. So there you go. Mitch's first video. I think he did pretty good. That's going to do it for this week. Couldn't let you get out of here without seeing me, though, so there you go. Hit all the links down below. Visit all the friends. Get you a t-shirt from the link down below as well. Visit our Amazon store at that link for all your Christmas shopping needs. All the tools, all the stuff that we use, all the camping gear, you know, everything cool that we find. We put it right there for you guys. Don't have to look for it. It's all just right there. Make a list. Buy it now. Perfect. And hit that subscribe button. Tell some friends. We're shooting up, man. We're past 10,000 subscribers. It's pretty fantastic. It feels really good to know, you know, that everybody's enjoying the videos. So thank you for that. And thanks for watching.